Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Not for you. That's what I say to my my cat when she tries to steal my food. It's not for you. I am small. Oh no.
They say it's good luck for that to happen when you first come to town.
Whoever says how does this happen enough that people say that, yeah, if a bird poops on you, good luck. It's me in my natural habitat. It's Kitty House. Look at the plate on the wall. Oh, look at all that fire. It is so lit. So literally on fire. You will burn your mouth.
What's a food truck?
What do you think a food truck is, Mina? Where do those things go? Whoa! No. Oh no. No. Fire. Fire. Help me. No. Yes. Yes. What's in the chest? Oh, what are you? Literally just sack of sauce. Oh, don't you love when you go to the forest and you just find a sack of sauce? I need the meat. Give me the meat. Please. Please, meat. Yes, yes. Yes. Oh, you ate it! You! I hate 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 you! Oh, thank goodness I made it that time. I was worried that I'm stupid. I'm gonna lose. No. No, no, no. I still won! Oh my god! No! Oh no! Oh my god, what do I do? Oh no, I'm dumb. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Reset. Oh god. Hook. Don't know. Let's try it. Please? No! What do I do? Okay, can anyone help me? I don't know. I don't know. I am dumb. I don't know what to do. I don't know what else to do. I think this is it. I did it! Yes! Drop. No, just drop the fire. No! Do not eat. No, do not eat. I specifically said no. No. No! GIF. No! He ate it already. Birdie is so fast. No! No! No, 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 Wait, you're possessing this body? This isn't your body? Are you a ghost? Wait, are you a zombie?
This is the real me.
Ooh! It's a bear! Yes! Oh my god, this guy. Shut up. Shut up. What? I don't like you. I don't like you. I did not care about you. I'm sorry. Blah, 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 blah. Pretty lady. Let me stab you.
So today I ask you to scour the Skylands for a bit of earth to ground your dish.
Yeah, I'll get you some dirt. Have you ever tried well-cooked dirt? I'm sorry, but never in my life have I seen a dirt recipe. So no, I haven't tried. Okay. Oh, did you just spit fire? Did you just spin the food? No, I spit fire! Cause Thrash is awesome! Wife! 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 A wife. Saving the wife with Tetris. I'm saving the wife with power of love. That's for my wife! I must save wife. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna save the wife with the power of Tetris. And I'm gonna say wife. Just give it to all of them! Ah! My wife's dying! Yes. No! Yes! Oh god! So much brain juice! Wow. Oh, I forgot! I needed 2 dishes! Oh god, I'm stupid! Oh no! Hi, what? Hi, what? This is for you. Hi. Wife.
Is any more?
Kill them! Kill them, Thrash!
Sorry you had to come
This-
from love.
I think even a little heart. Wife, so pretty. Wife.